Finance jobs AI cannot do and why human skills still matter. Welcome back, everyone. Today we are looking at what AI generally cannot do in finance yet. In the next 5 minutes, you will know exactly which human skills AI still cannot copy. First, we will cover the specific tasks that remain strictly human. Second, why trust and relationship resist automation. Third, how to actually build these skills on purpose. We will go through these points one by one. First point, client trust and advice. Any role where you sit next to a client and advise them tends to stay safe because the ability to build trust, read a situation, and offer guidance and support that fits in a specific person or a client is not something software has replicated. Investment advisor, wealth managers, and relationship bankers all depend on something AI struggle with. A client believing that you personally have their best interest at heart, not just an algorithm optimizing a portfolio. Think about a decision you helped someone make recently. How much of that was about the numbers and how much about them trusting you? Tell me one thing before we go further. When was the last time someone thanked you for advice you gave, not just the number you calculated? Second point, ethical judgment and negotiation. According to banking research, ethical judgment and complex negotiations are not exposed to automation list. AI can suggest a range of options. It cannot yet take personal ethical responsibility when a decision affects real people's livelihood. That responsibility and willingness to be accountable remains a distinctly human contribution. Third point, creativity, leadership, and strategy. Finance roles that blends technical expertise with leadership and creativity are proving the most resilient. Strategic advisor, economist interprets and clarify ambiguous market signals. And leaders who have to inspire a team through uncertainty or rely on traits like emotional intelligence and adaptability. Another recent research suggests roughly half of the jobs exposed to AI in advanced economies may actually see productivity gains rather than losses. Meaning, AI become a tool that makes these human-led roles more powerful, not obsolete. Tell me one thing. What is one part of your job where you feel AI genuinely make you better at work rather than replacing you? Quick activity for you. In the comments, describe one moment from your career when a client or colleague trusted your judgment over numbers. Let's collect real stories of where the human edge showed up. So, here is what to remember. AI is a powerful at computation and pattern recognition. It is still not powerful at trust, ethical accountability, negotiation, and leading people through uncertainty. The biggest takeaway from this video is this: don't compete with AI on speed and calculation. Invest deliberately in the skills that make people trust you because that trust is exactly what AI cannot manufacture. Thanks for spending this time with me. Remember, learn it today, build it today, lead on it tomorrow. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.